think I was in IKEA in 2011.
It's been over 10 years.
Yeah. The first spot is the clearance, and I've already seen something I want to bring home, but I have no way to bring it home.
So are you sad?
I'm very sad. It's a baby shark, do-do-do-do. It's a little baby shark, do-do-do-do. You know, the IKEA that I went to in Georgia, they had a lot of their furniture like this built so you could see what it looked like, and it wasn't just in a box. Really nice shoe compartment. You can slip your shoes down in there and you can hide them things. That's what I like about IKEA stuff. It's like made for compact living. We entered into the warehouse first, not this other side. So they do have stuff put up here. Let's go look. We did not make a mistake by coming in IKEA. I do feel like a kid in a candy store.
Well, you had a very shopful day.
Well, I didn't get out of here for free, that's for sure.
I see. That's a lot of stuff still.
That's quite a bit of stuff down in there. Definitely isn't free.
Mm-mm.